Find out R total between A and B terminals. Here we can observe the terminals are at the left side. So our calculation starts from the right side. So first these two resistors are in parallel. So when two resistors are in parallel, we are applying formula is R total equals R1 R2 by R1 plus R2 or 1 by R total equals 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2. So R total equals R1 value 2 ohms and R2 value is 2 ohms. So 2 into 2 by 2 plus 2. So R total for these two resistors are in parallel for this circuit is 1 ohms. We can also find out R total for similar resistors by using R total equal to R by N. This is formula for when two resistors, similar resistors are connected in parallel. Here 2 ohms and 2 ohms are the same values. Resistors having same values, that is 2 ohms. So two parallel resistors having same value, we can also apply the formula R by N. R value is 2 ohms. How many resistors are connected in parallel? 2. So value is 2 ohms. For similar resistors, we can also apply the formula R by N, or we can also apply this formula also. So that R total between these two terminals is 1 ohms. The R equivalent or R total for these two resistors is 1 ohms. We have to redraw the circuit. 1 ohm. These two resistors total R equivalent value. Again 1 ohms. Terminals A and B. Again our terminals are at the left side. We have to calculate the starting from right side. So compare these two resistors are in series. So when two resistors are in series, formula is R1 plus R2. R1 is 1 ohms, R2 is 1 ohms. Total is 2 ohms. And we can also apply another formula when two resistors are having same value. That is R total equal to N into R. How many similar resistors are connected in series? 2. And resistance value 1. So 2 ohms. So R total between A and B terminals is 2 ohms. So final answer for this circuit, the total resistance between these two terminals is 2 ohms. I repeat once again. Here we have to find out the R total between these two terminals. First, the terminals are at the left side, so our calculation starts from the right side. If you take the calculation from left side, the entire answer will be goes to wrong. So when the terminals are at the left side, our calculation, our comparison of resistors starts from right side. Here first compare two resistors, 2 ohms and 2 ohms are in parallel. So when two resistors are in parallel, that formula is R total equal to R1 R2 by R1 plus R2, or 1 by R total equal 1 by R1 plus R2. But in this circuit we have two resistors having the same value, so we can also apply another formula, that is R by N. Next, after simplification, after find out the R equivalent between these two terminals, our value we get 1 ohm. Again redraw the circuit, and again compare last two resistors. These two resistors are in series, so when two resistors are connected in series, our formula is R total equal to R1 plus R2. So next, here these two resistors are also similar value, so we can also apply when two similar resistors are connected in series, our formula is N into R. So total our solution is 2 ohms. The R equivalent between these two terminals is 2 ohms. Thank you.